So watch this video till the end to know about your maintenance calories without tracking and weighing your food on a daily basis.
All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
What's up everyone? So in today's video, I will be giving you some of the best approach which will help you to calculate your maintenance calorie. So the maintenance calorie is the calorie which will help you to maintain your weight. So if you eat in this range, then you will neither increase your weight nor decrease your weight. But there are many methods with which you can calculate your maintenance calorie. Either you can calculate it using the applications or using any softwares which will be available online. But here the problem is that they will give you some approximate number depending upon your physical conditions, which is your height, weight, your gender and your fat percentage. But this might be very approximate and it will be very difficult for you to follow because the number which they give is just based upon the approximations and some formulations which they generally use. So it is just a generic value, it is not customized for a particular individual. So the major problem with these applications and software is that they don't consider your current eating habits. So let's take an example of these two individuals here. So suppose that the current intake of the left individual is 1500 calories and the right one is 2000 calories. So if they have the same age and almost similar physical composition, then the calculator will give a similar maintenance calorie. Suppose that it gives us 2500 calories. So for the left individual, he has to increase his 1000 calories so as to reach into a maintenance calorie, whereas for the right individual, he has to increase just 500 calories to reach into a maintenance calorie. But in reality, both of these individuals, when following their current intake, they are able to maintain their weight. So this is the major flaw with these applications and software because they are not considering their metabolism and their current eating habits, and also the other non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which is allowing these individuals to maintain their weight. So here you have to track your food and you have to be in this maintenance range. So the tracking of the food will also be very difficult for the beginners or the individuals who never track or weigh their food. So watch this video till the end to know about your maintenance calories without tracking and weighing your food on a daily basis. So for this method, we will require three things. First is a weighing scale, which should be an accurate one. If you want to buy them from Amazon, then check out the link in the description. The second one would be a camera or a diary to keep a track on the list of the food that you are consuming. The third one would be consistent efforts for the next 14 days. So let's begin the process of calculating your maintenance calorie. So the first step here would be to measure your weight early in the morning after you freshen up when your bladder is empty. So at this time, you measure your weight and keep a track on that. And to increase the accuracy with the weight measurement, you can measure your weight without any clothes or in just undergarments so that there is no error readings depending upon the weight of your clothes. But one thing you have to note here is that while tracking your weight for the next 14 days, you don't have to make any drastic changes in your meals. So don't worry about your weight, just track it while having the regular meals for the next 14 days. If you make some drastic changes, then there will be changes in your weight as well, which will reduce the accuracy of the calculation of our maintenance calorie. Now maintain these readings for the next 14 days and we will move on to the second step. So second step would be to keep an eye upon the portions of the food that you are having on a daily basis. So either you can write down each of the food that you are having and the cups or the plates sizes which you are having in your home and which you are using on a daily basis to have your meals. So this will be more accurate because we are not using any generic cup sizes here, but we are using the sizes of the plates and the cups which you are using on a daily basis to have your meals. So this will give you a more accurate information on the portions of the meals. So if you are finding it difficult to note down all the meals that you are having from the morning till the night, then the easier way would be to take the pictures of the meals that you are having. So in this way, it will be easier for us to manipulate the calories after we find out our maintenance ones. Now the third step is the most important one where we are calculating our maintenance calorie. So now keep all the data with you, that is the tracked weight for the last 14 days and the tracked portions of the meals for the last 14 days. So now as we have the data about the meal pictures and our weight of the last 14 days, it will be easier for us to calculate our maintenance calorie. So you will see that there will be some fluctuation in your weight in terms of grams or kilograms, but that is absolutely fine because depending upon the sodium and the carbohydrate level in your body, the water retention will change, so the weight will also fluctuate. But that is absolutely fine. We have to calculate the average weight of this last 14 days. So suppose that if the average comes out to be 70 kilograms, then the 70 kilograms is your maintenance weight. So if you follow the meals that you have been following for the last 14 days, the same portions and the same quantity and the same quality of nutrition that you have been following for the last 14 days, then you will maintain your weight at 70 kilograms. So those meals that you have been following for the last 14 days becomes your maintenance calorie actually. So we are not calculating the calories of the meals, but we know the quality and the quantity of the meals that we have been following. And since we have been tracking it depending upon your plate and the cup sizes, so now it will become easier for you to make the manipulations in your current meal plan. So depending upon your goal, either if you want to increase your weight or if you want to decrease your weight, you can increase some calories by adding some carbohydrates or other macronutrients into your meals, or if you want to decrease your weight, then you can reduce your calorie depending upon the current meals that you're having. So my short suggestion to increase your weight would be to add some calories from the nutritious food instead of the junk food, which will be the burger, pasta or pizzas, anything which you eat outside, because these foods won't give you the nutritional value. This will give you the calories, but this won't give you the nutritional value, so this might harm your body as well. And if you want to reduce your weight, then you should add more proteins and fibrous food, which will keep you satiated and reduce your overall calories. Now as you know about your maintenance meal plan, you can start using these food tracking applications to track the calories of the standard food based upon your goal of weight loss or weight gain. So to gain your weight, you can choose the food which are higher in calories and more nutritious, and to reduce your weight, you can choose the food which are lower in calories but they are still nutritious. So instead of tracking everything that you are eating on a daily basis, just track the standard foods and make some smart swap in your current meal plan. So take some efforts and follow this process for the next 14 days, and you will be amazed to see the results after you start manipulating your meals, and you won't require any calorie tracking app or any other applications to calculate your maintenance calories with this method. So let me know how it goes for you in the comment below, and if you found the video valuable, then like this video, share with everyone and subscribe to my channel for more such videos on workout and nutrition. And if you wish to train with us, then check out TheSuppleStrength.com, where we provide evidence-based nutrition as well as workout coaching to enhance human performance. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay supple, stay strong.